around you, every animal, every plant, every human being. None of this appeared overnight. Life began simple, tiny organisms in the ancient oceans. Over time, small changes happened generation after generation. These changes helped living things survive. The strongest traits stayed and the weakest disappeared. Slowly, incredibly, life transformed into millions of forms. This powerful process is called evolution, and it explains life on Earth become what we see today. Humans did not suddenly exist. Birds were not always able to fly. Whales once walk on land. Life didn't appear finished. It changed step by step over millions of years. Bones, fossils, and DNA tell the same story, a story written deep in the time, and your body still carries signs of a very ancient past hidden in your structure, written in your genes. This is not a belief, this is not opinion, this is a science. What is evolution? Evolution is the process by which living organisms change across generations. It does not happen all at once. It happens slowly, quietly, naturally. Small changes appear in every generation. Some changes help survival, some make no difference, some disappear forever. These changes that help an organisms live longer, find food, escape danger, or reproduce are passed on to the next generations. Over time, these small advantages add up. Bodies adapt, behaviors change, new traits become common. Over millions of years, tiny changes create massive differences. Fish become amphibians, land animals return to the sea, and one branch as life eventually become humans. Evolution does not explain beliefs, it explains evidence, and that evidence is written in fossils, DNA, and every this process, natural selection. It is simple but powerful. In every environment, organisms face challenges, limited food, predators, climate, competition, etc. Those that adapt better survive longer. They find food more easily, they escape danger more often, they reproduce more, and when they reproduce, their helpful traits are passed on. Slowly, generation after generation, those traits spread through the population. But organisms that fail to adapt do not vanish instantly. They struggle, they reproduce less, and over time they slowly disappear. There is no goal, no plan, no direction. Nature does not think, nature does not choose, nature selects, and over millions of years, this blind process shapes every form of life on Earth. Evolution is supported by evidence, not guesses, not opinions, evidence. Fossil shows gradual changes in species over time, simple forms becoming more complex layer by layer, written in stone. DNA tells the same story. When we compare genes, we find similarities across all living things, from bacteria to plants to humans. This proves that life shares common origin. Comparative anatomy adds even more proof. Similar bone structures appear in humans, birds, and other animals. Different functions, the same basic design, and even our own body carries clues from the past. Vestigial organs, structure that once had a purpose, remain in remnants of evolution. Evolution is not hidden, it is recorded in fossils, in DNA, and within you. Humans are not separate from nature. We are a part of it. We come from the same process that shaped every living thing on earth. Over time, insects changed. Our brain grew larger, allowing through memory and creativity. Our posture shifted from walking on all fours to standing upright, freeing our hands. Those hands built tools, simple at first, then sharper, smarter, and more powerful. These changes did not happen suddenly. They accumulated across thousands of generations, and evolution did not stop when humans appeared. It is still happening, slowly, silently, as environments change, as diseases evolve, as humanity adapts. Evolution continues not in the past but right now. Evolution teaches us one thing: change is constant, life adapts, survival depends on understanding reality. On this channel, we explore science, truth, and the ideas that shape our world. Subscribe to Civic Files because understanding reality is the first step to understanding ourselves.